they said, what happened? I said, well, I
She
went
was able to work and said you don't want to work. Looking able to work.
they
Loads of lads I know play five-a-side football and somebody leaves
yeah,
football.
but
They able to work instead of injured themselves.
I know someone at British Steering Club done that. It's a footballer. They took him to work the next morning, got a steel girder on. I said, it's funny. They kept going.
200.
The guy was there, I went to shoot. And left it. Asked him again. She said, you know what? It's a fake accident. So we've talked to people about it.
213.
He said, he really went to shoot. And because your foot was stuck in his heart, it would move. But the brain set the signals to shoot. So instead of your foot moving, your muscles are probably impact. Your own muscles.
218.
That was right, 4.5 months later, back at work. Fine.
219.
My brain's telling me not to go on that side, so I went on that side.
214.
This is my missus. Shout my missus, just for that. And I said, think about my apple. She went, lift the gears up, so I thought they were going to take it to the office. Well, I'd snap a figure in. And I thought, you can see there, scarce still there, Alvin there. The administration was saying to me, no, that's right, can't be around. I said, you've got a hit, you can come out of it. Because now it's coma, it's the ball joint is weak. So she said, get out of the water and it can come out. She's got a figure out that you were lucky to do snap out of it. He wasn't even sure if that was going to work. I said, so what?
So that's going over the top of the ladder, and because I was so strong, I was trying to hold all my weight on my tail.
But they said, if that hadn't worked, they said, we're about to take your leg off at the knee. Because you're that low. And I went, oh. But they didn't tell me that straight away. They didn't tell me that till about 3 months later, since you get me on practice. I said, you're over love. That's too much. I said, you're bloody lucky you didn't do it. And that's when they told me. And they said, there's no more sports. Well, I carried on 10 years later. I think it's good like that. I'm not doing sport anymore. Not playing by the side.
Yeah, one thing that's very good.
Not doing squash. Or badminton or nothing. I think my service went like that. I see how people do things. But all of a sudden, it was like a little bit really ill. And I went to the doctor and got the internet and I had to go and see a psychologist because I wouldn't have it. In my brain would, I'll make this not and think, no, this is like, this can't happen. And I think after a really bad couple of years, and one year
I'll tell you what, I've just been down to the doctors because my leg, I swear, halfway down my path, and all my foot, that's why I'm afraid of it. And I've got, support right stop it, But from that point down, it's bright red. So what my path is bright red. And they don't know what's causing it. And I've finally went through this Chinese doctor. She thought that when I said to her, she thought I had got infection. Somehow it was just affecting the bottom of my leg. It turns out it's because my heart. Because I've got atrial fibrillation, I'm having to take quite a high dose of the it's slowing my heart rate down to that of basically, lethal or something. And it's not enough for it to pump the